Tesla has been on an unstoppable climb, but what if a different kind of automotive titan is poised to take the lead? Today, we're re-asking the million-dollar question. Can a traditional luxury car brand S stock actually outpace Tesla S? The luxury car market is renowned for its high-end brands, timeless designs, and legendary performance. Tesla, conversely, has completely upended the automotive industry with its groundbreaking electric vehicles and a purely innovative approach. As an investor, it's a critical question to consider. Which one holds the true advantage in the stock market? Are luxury car stocks the smarter bet, or is Tesla still the undisputed market leader? Established luxury car brands like BMW, Mercedes-Benz and Audi have been dominating for decades, built on a strong reputation for premium quality and performance. They have a loyal customer base and a massive portfolio of models. Tesla, however, has been rapidly gaining ground, with its electric vehicles becoming exponentially more popular. But the real question is, can these established brands truly keep pace with Tesla's explosive growth? The stock market is inherently volatile, and the auto industry is certainly no exception. With the undeniable rise of electric vehicles and rapidly changing consumer preferences, it's becoming increasingly difficult to accurately forecast which stocks will be the top performers. We must dig deeper, analyzing the core financials and market positioning of these luxury brands and juxtapose them with Tesla's unique strategic model. This seismic shift from internal combustion engines to electric powertrains represents one of the greatest challenges ever faced by legacy automakers. They must not only match Tesla's technological prowess, but also completely overhaul their manufacturing and supply chains, a monumental and costly undertaking. Predicting stock performance is never straightforward, but it's especially complex within the automotive sector. The transition to electric vehicles is accelerating, and many traditional manufacturers are pouring billions into this area. Simultaneously, a wave of new competitors is entering the market, making the landscape even more crowded. How exactly does one select a winner in such a complex and rapidly changing environment? The traditional luxury car brands have a multitude of strengths, including powerful brand recognition and an extensive global dealership network. They also have a long history of producing high-quality, desirable vehicles. However, Tesla possesses a distinct advantage in its pioneering electric vehicle technology and a uniquely passionate customer base. Beyond technology, Tesla's direct-to-consumer sales model and its software-first approach set it apart from legacy brands that are still tied to a traditional, costly dealership model. As we meticulously analyze the market, we must consider vital metrics like sales figures, revenue expansion, and profit margins. We also need to assess the competitive landscape and how each brand is strategically positioned for the future. What are the key strengths and inherent weaknesses of each company, and how do they stack up against each other? Let's begin by examining BMW, one of the world's most prominent luxury car brands. With a diverse array of models and a strong presence in crucial markets, BMW has a very solid foundation. But how does its performance truly compare to Tesla's in terms of sales volume and revenue growth? BMW's sales have been climbing steadily, but Tesla's growth rate has been dramatically faster. This is primarily due to Tesla's singular focus on electric vehicles, which are becoming exponentially more popular. The critical question remains: can BMW and other luxury car makers truly close this gap? Mercedes-Benz is another major luxury brand that has been heavily investing in electric vehicles. Its new EQ lineup has been gaining serious traction, and the company maintains its long-standing reputation for quality and performance. But can it truly compete with Tesla's disruptive, innovative approach and intensely loyal customer base? Audi, another significant luxury brand, has also been making substantial investments in electric mobility. Its e-tron range has been well received, and the company has a strong foothold in important markets. But how does it measure up against Tesla when it comes to sales figures and revenue expansion? One point that is undeniably clear is that luxury car brands have a lot to offer, from their powerful brand recognition to their vast range of models. Yet, Tesla's complete dedication to electric vehicles and its forward-thinking approach have given it a profound advantage. The broader macroeconomic environment, including government subsidies, fluctuating battery costs, and the rapid expansion of charging infrastructure, will play a significant role in determining the future stock performance of both luxury brands and Tesla. Tesla's market strategy is laser-focused on electric vehicles, and it has been exceptionally successful at cultivating a dedicated customer base. Its sales figures have been growing at a blistering pace, and the company has forged a very strong brand identity. But can it sustain this growth indefinitely? The data is unambiguous. Tesla has been growing far more quickly than the traditional luxury car brands. But can this rapid pace continue? The answer hinges on the company's continuous ability to innovate and successfully adapt to a constantly evolving market. The luxury car brands have many strengths, but they also confront immense challenges. They must rapidly accelerate their investment in electric vehicle technology and adapt quickly to shifting consumer demands. Can they truly keep pace with Tesla's growth trajectory? In conclusion, while the luxury car brands possess many advantages, Tesla's uncompromising focus on electric vehicles and its revolutionary approach have given it a clear edge. The stock market is unpredictable, and it's extremely difficult to forecast which stocks will emerge as the ultimate winners. The key strengths of luxury car brands lie in their powerful brand recognition and vast product range. However, their primary weakness is their slower, more cumbersome adaptation to the electric vehicle revolution. Tesla, in stark contrast, holds an unassailable advantage in its EV technology and its deeply committed customer base. So, what's your take? Can a luxury car stock finally outshine Tesla in the market? Share your thoughts below in the comments. If you're looking for more insights on the dynamic automotive market, be sure to check out my other videos.